Hi everyone. The folks at Bali Outdoors sent me their 32-inch wood-burning fire pit. This fire pit is multifunctional as it comes with a 360-degree rotating cooking grate to grill your favorite foods. The fire bowl has a meshed vent to increase airflow for efficient combustion and heat distribution. The pit is designed with a cool-to-touch outer ledge for safety. In this video, I'll unbox the fire pit and show how easy it is to assemble. I'll start a fire, then grill some hamburgers and hot dogs. I'll also grill up a ribeye steak dinner. This evening, my family and I will hang out together while sitting around the fire. Stick around to the end for information about an exclusive discount for Ryan Gin Living viewers. Please stay tuned. Here's the box that the unit came in. Let's take a look inside. Here are all the parts that came in the box. The first step in assembling the fire pit is to attach the legs to the fire bowl. The next step is to attach the linking pieces to all the table panels. Make sure to first attach the table panel with hole D to this position on the fire bowl. Then attach the 3 remaining table panels to the fire bowl. Next, secure the table panels together. The next steps are to attach the cooking grate stand bar to the cooking grate, then attach the swing handle to the cooking grate. The final step is to attach the cooking grate assembly to the main body, then adjust the grate to the desired height. Let's start a fire. I'll first place a tumbleweed fire starter on the bottom of the fire bowl. Then I'll stack kindling above the fire starter. Above the kindling, I'll place these larger pieces of firewood. Okay, let's light the fire starter. The fire bowl has a meshed vent to increase airflow for efficient combustion. This fire pit is multifunctional. It easily switches from fire pit to barbecue mode by simply inserting the cooking grate assembly into the main body. When adjusting the height or removing the cooking grate, make sure to use barbecue gloves. Let's grill up some hamburgers, hot dogs, and peppers. Whether you're doing it in your backyard, the beach, or at a campground, cooking over a wood fire is so much fun. Okay, the hamburgers, hot dogs, and peppers are ready. Let's build the burgers and hot dogs and plate the meal. It's time to eat. Ginger has joined me to enjoy this meal. The hamburger, hot dog, and peppers were delicious. It's so satisfying to eat a meal you've cooked outdoors over a fire. Beautiful, Ginger.
Ooh.
I'm going to prepare the fire pit for steaks by adding lump charcoal. These are potatoes wrapped in aluminum foil. I'm going to roast them in the coals of the fire pit. I'm going to grill a ribeye steak dinner with a roasted potato, peppers, and asparagus. So there you have it. This was the Bali Outdoors 32-inch wood fire pit. This attractive fire pit allows you to enjoy an outdoor fire, and with its 360-degree rotating grill, it allows you to easily grill up your favorite foods. Are you ready to grill up a meal and enjoy a cozy night around the fire pit? Grab yours today and enjoy an extra discount as a Ryan Gin Living viewer. Check the description for a discount link. Please consider liking and sharing this video with people you know. Please consider subscribing to our channel. We would really appreciate your support. And as always, thank you so much for watching.